Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another haul for you guys, and this time it's a big one. As you guys know, I am always buying from Missguided. Literally whenever I go for an online shop, Missguided is always one of the #1 online stores that I go to, just because they are a for sure win. Like, I'm just forever finding really cool stuff on there. So they were generous enough to let me pick out some clothes, and I'm starting to focus more on spring clothing because lo and behold, we're finally in spring, even though it doesn't really feel like it. I'm just gonna wear spring clothes, brace the cold in the UK, and I'm just gonna look as spring as possible. I have a bunch of stuff to get through. I only have one pair of shoes, so let me get started off with these. The first item that I have to show you guys, it's basically just this really simple black boot, and I don't know, I really love heeled boots. I've been loving them lately just because I've had so many things recently where I've needed to wear heels, and for me, I love wearing heeled boots. They're kind of like almost snakeskin effect, but kind of like velvet effect at the same time. It's really nice. They're just really simple and classic looking, but with a bit of a twist to it. So got those, and they're really nice. Shall I just tip it all upside down? Yeah, let's do it. Oh my god. I actually have a bunch of dresses, and as you guys know, I'm not the girliest dresser. Like, I really do like to, I'd say that my style is pretty like casual streetwear, and then I sometimes like to throw in a little bit of girliness into my style, I suppose. I either like to dress down on dresses or take things really basic and then keep them really casual and like add accessories to them. So I've got a bunch of dresses today, so I'm going to show you all the dresses first. I guess to start off with, let's start off with this super basic dress. I think mini dresses that are long sleeve like this are so basic but so necessary, even if you don't like wearing dresses. I just really like stuff like this because they're so simple. You can style them up with belts, with accessories, style them up with a lot of different layers, which I love. So I could wear this with like a jacket paired on top of this, just to like drape over it, just to make it look a little bit more something, you know, because it is so basic. By the way, all of the links to these will be down below, and also all of the sizes that I picked out as well. I'm always so random when I'm picking my sizes, but I'll have them all written down below. Next, I picked up this one, and this is this racer dress. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the material of this is a little bit thinner than the other t-shirt materials that I have from Missguided, so I would definitely say to just be wary about the kind of underwear that you're wearing underneath this, unless you want it to show. But for me, I would probably wear this as more of something to layer on top of things, and then to have things layered on top of this as well. There's Racer LA Stadium on it, and I just love the colors and the print. I've really been loving like this check kind of print recently. These are the print, it does a lot for itself, so you could keep it really basic, but I just love printed oversized t-shirt effect dresses. I think they're really cool. Sticking with the theme, I also have this baseball style oversized t-shirt dress, and I really love this. This says Portland, Oregon on it, and again, I love the colors. As you guys know, white, black, grey and red are just my thing, so this is just perfect for me. I love the print of this, and you could totally dress this down and just have this like with a like denim jacket on top of this. I'm just so excited to start styling dresses more, because I just feel like for spring and summer this year especially, I want to make them work, just because even though I'm not the girliest, it doesn't mean we can't dress down dresses, if that makes sense. It has to be my favorite dress out of all of them. This is in this crushed camo style, and it's grey. You guys, this is just me on every single level. Like, if I could put me into a jumper dress, it would be this. So it's almost in the style of a sweatshirt, but of course it's long enough to be a dress. So it is a little bit shorter than the other dresses. I got this in a particularly small size, so it's a little bit too short for me. I really wanted to dress this down to have with leggings to wear it on an everyday basis, or I could wear it as a dress as well, but I'd probably wear shorts underneath it, just because, like, you know, when you lift up your arms, it just goes way up. Just because I got it in a small size, because I didn't want it to be too oversized on the other areas of my body. Honestly, the print of this is just everything, and I just cannot wait to wear this. So next we have this red camo style dress, and I just, you guys, this is so pretty. As you guys know, I love camo, and then of course with like this deep red color, it's just so nice. I definitely would love to wear this with like a belt or something, like, you know, those really chunky belts that you put, like almost like a corset style belt. I think it would look great with this, and because it's a high neck, I'd like to keep it simple with jewelry. Like, I would probably wear maybe earrings or something like that, but no necklaces, and maybe like a corset style belt. I think that would look amazing with this. This is like a really comfortable, breathable material, so I think this would be great for for the summertime. It's like just thin enough where it's like not see-through or anything if you pick the correct underwear, but it is really breathable. So for summer, or if you live in a really hot country, this is amazing. Next up, we have this, probably the most feminine dress out of them all. I love this, but unfortunately it's just slightly too big for me, so I think I'm gonna pick this up in a size down just so it's a little bit tighter for my body. I think I got this in a size 8, so I'd probably get it instead in a size 6, but it's this really pretty off the shoulder frilled dress in this beautiful baby pink color. I honestly love this. I think this would be perfect for like a summer wedding, or you could totally dress this down as well and wear this to like a barbecue or something like that as well. But there's just something so classy about this dress, but obviously it shows the shoulder and the collarbone, so it's really romantic looking as well. As you can see in the try on, it still looks okay. It's just me like wanting it to be like fitting like a glove. The weather just needs to get better so I can wear all of these clothes. And then finally, the last dress that I have to show you is this, and honestly this is a real different style of dress for me, but it really fits with my color aesthetic. As you guys know, love white, black, gray, but the style of this dress is really different. I don't think I own anything like this. It's short sleeved, but it's got this stripe detail on the arm, and I think that's such a nice touch. It adds just that little bit of sportiness to this whilst it's still looking really sophisticated. And then it's got that curved hem at the bottom, which I think is so pretty, and I think it really enhances your shape, which I think is really nice. I honestly love this, and it just came out so nice, so obsessing over this. I honestly love this so much. And finally, I have 2 items that are not dresses, one of them being just a plain oversized black denim jacket. I have an oversized black denim jacket already, but it has print on it, and I just really wanted a simple one just because this is so nice to throw on top of dresses, to throw on top of just general outfits if you want to just drape something over. And you guys may notice in a lot of my pictures and stuff, but I love to drape denim jackets like halfway down my shoulder and even pin them up a little bit there, and I just love the way that that looks. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing that a lot in the spring just because it's enough to keep you warm, but when it's getting warmer, like, you can get away with it. So I really like that, and I just love denim jackets. I just feel like I will forever love denim jackets. And then finally, this is so nice, guys. This is a really lightweight hoodie jacket, but it's cropped. Again, it's got the red, it's a little bit of an orangey red, and then it's got a white stripe in the center, and obviously it's got a hood, and it's just this really lightweight thin material. It's like satin-ish. In the spring and summer, especially if you live in the hotter countries, this will be perfect because it just like keeps you warm, but it's wearable at the same time, and I just love this print so much. I think it's sick. So guys, that is all of the clothes that I have to show you today from Missguided. Massive thank you to Missguided for sponsoring this video. As you guys know, I love Missguided. They are one of my favorite clothing brands. To be able to work with them is always amazing because you guys know it's 100% genuine because I'm constantly buying from Missguided anyway. So big thank you to Missguided, and a big thank you to you for watching this video. Don't forget to comment down below what other videos you want to see next. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notify me bell button. That made no sense. Click the notification bell button as well so you're notified when I upload, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.